Hello friends, welcome to
Magic
Magic Art.
Art.
How to draw simple, cute handbag, easy drawing and coloring for kids. Turn simple shapes into stylish, cute handbag drawing. Kids, grab your crayons. Today we are designing a colorful handbag. Watch this adorable handbag come to life with fun colors. Can you draw this pretty handbag with me? Let's start. Cute, colorful and super easy handbag drawing for kids. Kids, grab your crayons. Today we are designing a colorful handbag. Watch this adorable handbag come to life with fun colors. Let's turn simple shapes into beautiful cartoon handbag. Awesome job! Your cute handbag drawing looks amazing. Step by step, coloring by coloring, let's create amazing handbag art. Watch till the end to see the final coloring handbag masterpiece. Easy handbag drawing and coloring tutorials for little artists. From sketch to sparkle. Let's make a super cute handbag together. Awesome job! Your cute handbag drawing looks amazing. Grab your color and let's make a lipstick that shine brighter than real one.